Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahira. So today please sit back and relax as I'm taking off my shoes in front of the stove in another chit chat and a cook with me. So please subscribe, share the video, like, comment, and yeah, let's get into it. Thank you so much for watching and bye. uh, this is just the chorus. A mix for pakoras. It's like potato, onion, spinach, and yeah, and just some spices that we put in here. And then here we are just soaking the dahl. Let me just see. It has almost tripled in volume, or doubled in volume, not tripled. So we'll just cook it off later. So I'll show you how it looks like if it's coming out from the pot. So you guys, I'll come later to you guys just to show you how the food was made. Oh, look at my face. You know what happened here? You guys, hi, I'm back. This is Iftari, how we prepare our pakora. Like I told you, the pakora is only onion, spinach, potato, slices. And then, okay, so we're just putting spices along with some chana flour, May pakora banayo. So we're just making our chippy, So we're just coating it here and then putting straight into the pan with hot oil. See here, see here, Yalba.
He'll get burned by this oil.
You will get burned. He must not be here at all. Mark, come and take him. The Yalba is here with his chair. He knows how to do the chair now. So, guys, we have mince here. So I'm making the kebab now. I just made balls, and then flatten them. Then I'm just dropping it in the hot oil. Don't drop it off your own hands. If you have to use something. I am an old cook. And this is why I have many blessings for this man of mine. So I'm just flattening it with my fingers and then just. So you guys, it's a mini kebab. It's very small. It's for iftari. It's just like a bite size. It melts in your mouth. It's soft. It's like. Poor husband of mine is making the video and I'm making this thing. So, okay people, main ingredient is in already. What is this seed now?
Cumin.
This is cumin. Some people are saying cumin. So what I'm doing is I'm just crushing it. And then so stove is on. I just want the seeds to pop a little bit. Add flavor. And I'm just going to turn this one quickly. Okay, yeah, it's ready now. What now? Onion is what in Urdu?
Yes.
Yes. Then you add the beers. What must I say in Urdu? My husband is not being sports, you guys. You don't want.
No.
Well, I'm handling 2 pots now, my love. While that one is cooking here, I'm quickly gonna turn this one, and I'm gonna take out a few of them. This is just bits in the mouth, not big kebab. Now guys, I'm making it brown. Love, come inside the pot. Yeah, like this. Unlocking the flavor, you know, of the onion, so it must be brown. Don't be scared, alarmed if it's brown too much. Then here in the blender I have my tomato puree, you know, fresh tomatoes that I made a puree of, and the puree is going straight into, what is a tomato in Urdu?
Tomato.
Tomato, oh, it's the same. Okay, and this one, this one, oh, you want what? Tomato. Yeah, we are cooking together. Mentioned, but in the tomato puree which I blended in the blender, don't beat mama on the butt. I put in garlic and ginger also, ne? So the puree is now like this, it's boiling, and here I have haldi, I have dhania, namak, and mirchi. So this is coriander, turmeric, salt, and red pepper, ne? So I just put in everything there, like so, and then just stir it. And I showed them what Mama is doing. Oh yeah, you're beating Mama on the butt, and he hit himself in the head. Don't beat Ma. So whilst it now like this, it must not reduce completely. You don't want to reduce the sauce now completely, but it's now boiling, and at least I pre-cooked my dal already in the pressure cooker, you know, to open up, so it's soft now. So now the entire cooking from here will be like maybe 30 minutes, and then it's completely done. Just adding, so people, I'm just adding my dal straight from the pressure cooker, you know, like so. Now, as you can see, this is what you will end up with. So now I will leave it like this on low heat, or on medium heat, not low, on medium heat, for like 30 minutes now. See now how the color is, you know? Like so now I'll quickly do the table setting for my husband for Iftari now, you guys. So you guys, here we have our Iftari food that we've prepared. So here is the pakora in the fried potato slices in just the bite-sized meatballs. We are calling it kebab. I also have here chutney and bread, and just some sweet stuff here, like oranges, chippies, and then here we have the lassi. It's a drink made from yogurt and cold water, and just some sweet thing. Yeah, so here is our food for the night, and then yeah, we'll enjoy it now. After this we'll have the dahl. So you guys, this is how I'm eating. I dip it into my chutney, and we're using the hands to eat. Very nice. Bite size. Mm.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never
Cheers for now. Bye bye. Take care.